Welcome, crypto champions. Today will be a lot of legal stuff, as 2024 is a key year for Ripple and XRP, finalizing cases with the SEC and other guys like Zakhanov, and of course, the equally important topic of Ripple's IPO on the stock market. Here we go. Here's why April will be a crucial month for Ripple and XRP. April 2024 will be a crucial month for Ripple and XRP as the crypto payments company continues its legal tussle with the SEC and Zakhanov. As 2024 has started with renewed optimism for crypto enthusiasts, many investors are eager to know what the new year holds for them. For the XRP community, April 2024 will be a crucial month for the cryptocurrency and Ripple Labs. Zakhanov and SEC legal battles. This is mainly because April marks the month when XRP and Ripple could see interesting developments in two major legal tussles. Notably, Ripple is currently embroiled in lawsuits against the US SEC and a group of XRP investors led by Vladi Zakhanov. Both lawsuits allege that Ripple violated securities laws by raising funds via the sale of XRP. Although the motion hearing in the Zakhanov vs. Ripple case is slated for January 11, 2024, the case's trial is expected to commence on April 15, 2024. On the other hand, the remedies litigation in the SEC vs. Ripple lawsuit will linger till April 2024. According to the court's schedule, the final motion with respect to the remedies litigation is expected to be filed on April 29, 2024. Notably, Ripple will file its opposition to the SEC's remedies brief on April 12, 2024. By April 29, 2024, the SEC shall file a reply to the defendant's opposition. Upcoming SEC vs. Ripple remedies litigation. For context, in July 2023, a federal court issued the highly anticipated summary judgment in the lawsuit between the SEC and Ripple. While the court ruled that Ripple violated the law via the institutional sales of XRP, it declared that programmatic sales and other distributions do not constitute securities as alleged by the SEC. Consequently, the court scheduled a remedies litigation, which will officially begin in February 2024 and linger until April. The remedies litigation pertains to the potential fine that Ripple could pay for selling XRP to institutional investors. It is worth noting that developments in these upcoming litigations could have massive implications on the price of XRP. The long-awaited denouement of this legal drama is near, 3 to 6 months, and that's it, the end. It has been going on for almost 4 years, and it is finally coming to its logical conclusion. I think it will look something like this. Ripple will pay all the fines imposed by the court, most likely not small, but it will not kill them. The SEC will get off their backs and start strangling someone else, and XRP will get out of this ass and start growing to the delight of all investors and fans. But there is a second option, that nothing will change, and people's faith in XRP will not return, that Ripple will give all its attention to other projects, but such a scenario is unlikely. To the next news. Here are 2024 trends to monitor for Ripple IPO. Pre-IPO investment platform Linkto has highlighted trends to watch in 2024 for companies like Ripple looking to embark on an initial public offering journey. As the curtains rise on the IPO market, Linkto, a platform facilitating pre-IPO investments, has shared insights into the economic trends shaping the investment landscape. In a recent post on X, Linkto highlighted that the IPO scene for the previous year had been largely quiet. However, it noted investors are gearing up for potential opportunities this year. To this end, it outlined key promising trends to monitor for the projected IPO market boom. Encouraging economic indicators. According to Linkto, the economic outlook for 2024 appears promising, with positive indicators across various fronts. In particular, it highlighted an upswing in GDP, indicating an expanding economy. Furthermore, the pre-IPO investment platform cited a reduction in unemployment rates. This suggests increased job stability and consumer confidence. Also, Linkto noted an uptick in consumer spending. The platform believes these factors support a favorable environment for companies considering initial public offerings. Easing market fluctuations. Furthermore, Linkto noted investors can take comfort in the decreasing levels of market volatility, as indicated by the volatility index. It argued that a more stable market creates an optimal climate for companies to contemplate IPOs as it provides a sense of security and confidence for potential investors. Rising capital needs. According to data sourced from PitchBook, there has been a noteworthy surge in the US VC capital to demand ratio, standing at 2.76 times for late-stage startups. Linkto believes this trend signifies a growing need for capital among startups, potentially driving an inclination towards IPOs as a strategic avenue for further expansion and development. Ripple IPO outlook. It is worth noting that the San Francisco-based crypto payment firm Ripple is among the leading crypto businesses with IPO plans. The Crypto Basic has repeatedly called attention to instances that suggested the company is laying the ground for an IPO. As anticipation grows amid the projected 2024 IPO market boom, a financial analyst on Wall Street foresees the possibility of a Ripple IPO unfolding in May 2024, or, alternatively, in 2025. Yet other expert voices within the crypto community have cautioned against firm predictions on the timeline for this anticipated event. They cited Ripple's legal issues with the US regulator as an obstacle. This was already mentioned in the comment on the first news story, and I think May 2024 is too early for an IPO. I agree that it is hard to predict here, but Ripple needs to finish its cases, pay all fines, gain full legal clarity, and only then do something in the direction of an IPO. I would mark the summer of 2024 as a possibility, but that's not 100% as always. It may take longer to prepare, but when they do and hit the stock market, it will be a good sign. Then the development of XRPL, different CBDCs, XRP ETF, will appear, and other innovations that Ripple is preparing. Sounds good, right? But reality most often does not coincide with expectations, so we'll live and see. And now let's take a look what we have on the market. Bitcoin is delighting us with a flight to 47K, broke through all sorts of resistance and on positivity about the imminent adoption of ETFs, did it after all. But it's too early to get euphoric, have a fit of greed, and imagine yourself riding in a yellow Lamborghini. As you can see, it's not January 10th yet, the SEC hasn't made a decision yet. Anything can go wrong. It's just a buzz of anticipation, not fact. So don't be in a hurry to open a long on your entire deposit with 50x leverage. I would still wait for the final decision and a report on it from reputable sources. A little bit about dominance. Look how high it climbed, at 54.3%. As you may have guessed, we need to wait for Bitcoin to start consolidating and giving away dominance to Ether and other altcoins. Hold for now, folks. Now a few words about everyone's favorite XRP. As you can see, nothing happened to it. It grew by 6%, but that's for now. Of course, where will it move with such a high dominance of Bitcoin? That's right, nowhere. So just wait. Do not get involved in the market, otherwise you risk to stay without a deposit, especially for those who trade futures with leverage. That's all for now. Wait for the SEC decision. I will give an update tomorrow and of course on the 10th. Don't jump in on the highs, and only then will everything work out perfectly. See you in the next videos.